Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make WhatsApp group calls with specific people. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in, scroll down and open the group chat where you want to make the call. Now that you're in the group chat, look at the top of the conversation and you'll see the audio and video call icons. Tap on either one to start the call. A pop-up screen will appear. To exclude someone from the call, tap on the group name at the top. The group will expand, and you'll see all the members. Now, just select the people you want to include in the call. Once you've chosen, tap the call button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You can now make a call with just the people you've selected, even if they're part of a larger group chat. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.